In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the SEO-friendly URL slug for a product in your online store, making it more attractive to search engines and ultimately helping your products rank better, leading to increased visibility and sales. We all know how crucial it is to have a well-optimized product listing to attract potential buyers. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your online store's dashboard. This is your command center for all things e-commerce, from managing inventory to processing orders and analyzing customer data. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll want to focus your attention on the products section. This is where all your products are listed, and you can access detailed information about each one. Select Products from the main menu. Clicking on this will bring you to a page listing all of your products. Now that you've found the list of products, look for the specific product you wish to edit. You might have just a few items, or you could be scrolling through pages and pages of inventory. Once you have identified the product, click on it. This action will bring you to the product's dedicated page where you can view and edit details such as descriptions, pricing, stock levels, and more. With the product page open, locate the Edit Product option. This option allows you to modify a range of elements related to the product, giving you flexibility in how you present it to your customers. Click on Edit Product, which will open up the editing features you need. Now it's time to move on to the SEO section. Within the editing options, you'll see a part labeled SEO, or simply Search Engine Optimization. The SEO section is critical for ensuring your product is indexed correctly by search engines. And here is where you can make the biggest impact on how your product appears online. Here you will find the URL slug field. Think of the URL slug as the specific location of your product on the internet. It's what comes after your domain name in the web address, and it should be clear and concise. To update the URL slug, you need to click on that field, allowing you to input a new value. A good tip is to keep it simple and relevant. For instance, if you're selling a stainless steel water bottle, your URL slug might read stainless steel water bottle without any additional characters or spaces. Once you have changed the URL slug to something more optimized, don't forget to hit the save button. Saving your changes ensures everything you've done is applied and secured in your store's system. There's nothing worse than putting in time and effort and then losing all your adjustments by forgetting